Today, let me introduce you our GD-3080 cylindrical grinder. This machine is widely used for grinding surface of metal materials. The tooling method can be realized by top, 3-jaw chuck, spring chuck, and special fixture. The grinding range is 2 mm to 18 mm. The max grinding length is 300 mm. There are two ways for longitudinal movement. One is hydraulic, another one is manual. The hydraulic system adopts gears with good performance. This machine also can grind internal cylindrical. The grinding range is 10 mm to 16 mm. Max length is 65 mm. The roundness can reach 0.005 mm. The surface roundness is RA 0.65.
Okay, thanks for your listening. If you have any inquiries, please contact us.